Packaging Assistant in Trimity by Nexustec ensures the correct packaging of products. Trimity checks for right contents in the right location in packages. Correct product labeling, thus resulting in zero errors in packaging and logistics. To start, scan the variant using the integrated barcode reader. Trimity can then get the correct sequence based on the part ID from MES or ERP systems. After that, it will verify the correct part list to be packed and guide the worker through every step of the process. Trimity combines the worker guidance and quality control. This is where a worker is aided with a picture of the next part to be packaged. As part of quality checks, completed steps are highlighted on the screen. If the worker makes a mistake, the system will alert the worker about the mistake, either with audio or a notification on the screen. The notification will be automatically disabled when the corrective action is undertaken and process moves ahead. With this in your working area, you can rest assured that we reduce the scrap rate, eliminate recalls, and improve an overall quality of outgoing packaging.